Can a beginner speak English only for 30 days? I don't know. But I am going to start my English speaking challenge, and this is the day one of my English learning journey. Everything was going well until something happened with me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Jharna. I am starting off my English speaking practice, and this is the day one. I promised to myself I will not speak in a Odia language or my native language for 30 days. Then I woke up early in the morning. I reminded to myself I will not speak a single word in my native language so that I can practice English within 30 days. Then I started my daily routine. Then I did many things. I swept floor. I made breakfast. I washes my clothes and I did many things. Then I explained everything in English language. Suddenly I didn't know what to do. I have to talk with my family and some family members don't know how to speak English, even single word in English language. So how to talk with them, how to interact with them. I have to talk with them. Then I decided I will practice. I can't disturbing anyone. It's my compulsion. I promised myself please I will practice English for 30 days, but that is not their trouble. Then how can I make them trouble? So I decided I will practice English, but without disturbing anyone in my family or my relative. So I thought sometimes, what should I do? Then I think I have to practice, but without disturbing anyone. So I decided I will talk with them in our native language. Then the same things I will make a conversation with myself in English language so that I can keep my promise and I can practice English language for 30 days. And so I practiced English like this method, and this is the very comfortable method for me. In real life, English speaking is not easy task for a beginner. We can talk with our family member in English language, right? We can disturb our family member. So it's my day one English speaking journey and experience. I found an amazing method to practice English with my family members and every time. So I found easiest way for practice English without hurting, without disturbing anyone. So I can practice English for 30 days, and this was my day one. And what will happen day two? If you want to know what will happen in day two, please join my channel and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.